Hello and welcome back to Nature ROO, everybody. Now, who loves that harmonica opening? That was fantastic. Have you ever wondered about a place where vast wilderness meets vibrant cities? Well, today we're driving into one such on the west coast of Canada, Vancouver Island. From mountains to bustling cities, this is the place that has it all. Stick with me to uncover why Vancouver Island should definitely be on your travel bucket list. Let's kick things off by talking about the sheer size of the land. Vancouver Island covers a massive area of 31,285 square kilometers. That's over 12,000 square miles of diverse landscape to explore. Now imagine the variety of activities you can do in such a large space, from hiking trails through ancient forests to kayaking in serene waters. The possibilities are endless. Moving on to the people, Vancouver Island is home to about 864,000 residents. These folks are known for their friendly nature and diverse culture, making any visitor feel right at home. Ever wonder what the highest point is on this beautiful island? It's the Golden Hind, standing at 2,195 meters. For those seeking a challenging climb and a breathtaking view, this is a spot you don't want to miss. Now let's talk about the capital city, Victoria, which is also the capital of British Columbia. Victoria is not just a political hub, it's also a culture one, famous for historic architecture and lush gardens. A walk around the city can feel like stepping back in time. Getting to Vancouver Island is an adventure itself. How about a picturesque ferry ride from Vancouver? It takes about 1 hour and 40 minutes and offers stunning views of the Pacific coastline. Throughout the island, there are stories to be told. Did you know Vancouver Island was named after a British explorer, George Vancouver? There's history around every corner, adding to the island's charm and mystique. I've been to Vancouver Island many times. In all the popular locations, you've probably heard of Victoria, Tofino, but you may have never heard of Errington or Parksville, Ladysmith, Nanaimo, Cowichan, and Cobble Hill. These are great nature-rich locations full of wildlife, relaxation, and a peaceful time. Now, I wanted to take you on these locations. I'll also share the addresses to each of these spots. Enjoy these places. Let the ROO ROO adventure begin.
This is an important safety announcement. To make your journey today safe and pleasant, please take a moment to listen on how to be safe at sea. There's a lot of safety knowledge behind each BC Ferries crew member, and all members of our crew are certified by Transport Canada Marine Safety to deal effectively with emergency situations. In the unlikely event of an emergency, please stop what you are doing and follow directions from the crew. They will guide you to the emergency assembly areas and marine evacuation systems located on Deck 5.
We're here on the Queen of Oak Bay Ferry, making the way to Nanaimo, British Columbia. And here's a view from the back of the ship. And there we go. I'll do a little bit of panning here to the left. And do a bit of panning to the right. And there. And down here, if I go down, this is where the vehicles load from this ramp here, as you can drive your car aboard as you make your way to your Vancouver Island.
Our elevators located near the front, middle, and back sections of... Thank you for sailing with BC Ferries.
I'm at the North Island Wildlife Recovery Center, and it's also a Discovery Center. We can come here, visit all the injured birds. Some have to be rehabilitated, either they've gotten into some type of an accident. Some cannot be rehabilitated, so they're here for life. Such a great cause. Lots of volunteers and some staff. It's about $15 to come, and this is located in Vancouver Island. And here is a rehabilitation center, so let me take you on a tour. All right, now here we have a bald eagle who can't fly. Good job. Sandor! 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 Hi, Sandor! Hey, Sandor! Those are the white feet. Hello. Hi. How are you? Well, I'm here at the Ladysmith Amphitheatre, where they hold music events and festivals with people coming by playing their instruments. And as you can see, there's lots of seating here for people to sit and enjoy the show. Out there, I see some water, and let me show you what that looks like. trying to capture a bald eagle that's up on a tree, just standing on a perch and just sitting there and exploring things, and they're just browsing around. So hopefully I can get some good footage of that. We'll also be looking at some other birds, and there may be some migratory birds here, but it's a beautiful day here again. And it's just such a quiet day. There's also seagulls and all these other birds. Amazing day. Now, without knocking down the tripod, let's just see what we see with that eagle in the tree. I pooped. This is an eagle feather, but I found this one out there. Hope it's an eagle feather. Beautiful feather. I don't know, maybe you know what that is. I'll search later. Hope it's an eagle feather. Beautiful. And here's the sun setting. Beautiful Nanaimo Estuary. Seems like no more birds are here, but I was hoping for some better eagle shots. Look at that sunset. Oh, something. There's a blue heron over there, and there's the sunset. Now I'm at the Cowichan Estuary, where there's a lot of great blue herons here, osprey, and some seagulls. And of course you can hear the crows. Just making my way up these steps here. Let's get a higher view. Here's the type of birds you can see. Looks like some salmon spawn here, and I did see a little sign there about bald eagles here in October. Probably pick off those salmon. And I'm around this area here. Alright, let's go. Show you the view from this side. Here's a blue heron right over here. So many great blue heron out here. It's almost like way more than back in Vancouver. It's great to see them. This is where they have their little baby chicks. And there's another one all the way up there. Another quiet spot, not many people out here. Of course, being a Wednesday, but it's great. A little bit of a hill over here. There's a seagull on top of that post over there. Right now I'm at a place called Cherry Point Beach. It looks like it's low tide out. It's got an amazing amount of sand. It just goes on forever here. I saw these tiny little crabs, just so small. Let's see if I can get some on video for you. But such a nice location, super quiet. I'll do a rotating shot here. It's like, wow. Talk about a nice beach. It's not super sandy. However, it is very nice. There's a tanker ship up in the distance there. Let's see how far we can go here. A few families out having fun, but a nice place. Cherry Point Beach. Let me turn the camera around. There are one of those small crabs. Let's see if we can get this one. There it is in here. Hello, crab. See, there's a couple. There you are. You're so small. You're tiny. There's another one here. Hopefully I don't step on one of you. How tiny you are. I haven't seen anything that small. Look at these small little crabs. There. Looks like some great blue herons over here. Ooh, super muddy. It's all mud. Look at that mud. Definitely a place to walk bare feet in. Look at that. There's some blue herons over there. What a great spot. So muddy though. Not a place for shoes. These shoes are gonna be full of mud. Wow, let's see if I can get some more of those tiny crabs. My little actor. I've got a little actor here. Hello, crab. Doot, 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 doot. You're so small. Bye-bye.